Jalapeno is effective in fighting cancer.
Jalapeno is a good source of capsaicin, which has strong anti-cancer properties and is capable of killing over 30 types of cancer cells without harming normal cells. The mechanism involved in this protection is provided by stop the growth and division of cancer cells and slowing the formation of new blood vessels around cancer tumors.
Jalapeno helps in weight loss.
Jalapeno is a spicy chili pepper from the hot pepper family. Jalapeno is low in calories, and one of the most interesting compound in this pepper is capsaicin.
Capsaicin can boost metabolism, increase fat burn, reduce appetite, reduce abdominal fat, and reduce risk of becoming overweight. Jalapeno protects the heart. High blood pressure is one of the biggest risk factors for heart disease.
Jalapeno act as a thinning agent and help dissolve complex proteins such as fibrin. Fibrin is an insoluble protein whose accumulation can lead to blood clots in blood vessels. These blood clots can lead to spikes in blood pressure. Bioactive compounds in jalapeno can also help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Jalapeno is vegetable high in capsaicin, which is a bioactive compound that can aid weight loss by increasing energy consumption, thermogenesis, while inducing anorexigenic sensations, such as appetite suppression.
Overeating jalapeno is dangerous. When consumed in excess, the mouth catch fire.
Drinking water speeds up the arrival of capsaicin in the stomach, which is not good.
Failure to correctly choose and handle jalapeno can be dangerous. Jalapeno may cause spice allergy due to its high concentration in capsaicin and allylisothiocyanate and cause an irritation of the oral and eye cavity. This may lead to a life-threatening allergic reaction called anaphylaxis.
Jalapeno can be eaten raw, in recipes for seasonings, sauces, tacos, salads, and accompanying meats such as in hamburger. According to scientific research, regardless of how it is prepared, the health benefits of bioactive compounds can be enjoyed. Whoever consumes pepper regularly reduces the risk of death from any cause by 12%. My recommendation is for a daily consumption, 1 to 2 times a day in snacks or main meals. Some forms of consumption are in salads, salsas, chutneys, or guacamoles, infused in spicy chili oils, blended into smoothies, baked into cornbread or egg dishes. Jalapenos can be consumed daily in many forms, such as raw, cooked, and dried, in order to enhance the palatability of meals and suppress appetite. Generally, 1 to 3 jalapenos can be added to meals daily.